Okay, I'll pour this. Whoa! Easy. Pour this back in. Okay. I'll turn it back on. I'll let that go through the process again. It'll take 4 hours. So I've got to filter it through a few times. So this will be a second one. Third one will be should be okay. So by the fourth one I could do the water. So I got to I think I'll buy some more of this, obviously. Descaling for descaling, cleaning filter in the container. I'll come back in a few hours.